Alright guys, this is ItechTechnologies. Hamza here back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix cannot buy anything from PS Store, or how to fix add a payment method on your PS4. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's get straight into this video. And guys, now let me just show you the error that I'm facing. So guys, I have to get this PS Plus 1 month membership, and in my wallet at the corner you can see I have a 10.01 US dollars, and this membership is just cost you around 9.99 US dollars. So when I go to the proceed to checkout, so you just need to go to the proceed to checkout, and when you tap this, you have this kind of interface. Choose a payment method, add a debit or credit card, or add a PayPal. So guys, this is the problem that I'm facing, and luckily there is a one way to get rid of this problem, and I'm here to show you. So guys, now you just need to go to the settings, and in the settings you just need to go to the account management and account information. And now in the account information guys, all you have to do is you just need to go down to towards this address, go to this address option, and guys, now you just need to add the postal code, and it's pretty much simple and easy. You just need to add the postal code, and guys, I have two codes that works perfectly fine. The first one is the 33334, and the second one is that I'm using 03031. so you can either use the first one or the second one. And after that, when you choose the code, you just need to tap the confirm option, and you can see the city or state is automatically changed. And after that, just tap the confirm. And guys, after that you have to go to the PlayStation Store on your PS4. So let me just show you. And guys, this problem is mostly happen when you buy anything from the gift cards, so this is the only way. And guys, if you are new to my channel and if you want more legit videos like this, you can subscribe, it's free. And guys, now you just need to go to the proceed to checkout, and guys, you can see we have confirm purchase, and that's it guys. You just need to tap the confirm purchase, and let me just show you. Just need to wait for a few seconds, and guys, you can see at the top we have $0.02. I have successfully purchased this PS Plus membership, and that's how guys you can fix this issue. And guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. If you learned anything new, definitely consider to subscribe, like, or share this video.